Disolac Pro 84X textured coating was developed for industrial use and is characterized by its anti-corrosive power and versatility. We will tell you the steps you need to follow in order to get the best results. Before starting, it is crucial to properly prepare the surface. Make sure to degrease it thoroughly to ensure optimal adhesion of the Pro 84X. Let's move on to the preparation of the product. Pro 84X is tintable, so add between 5% and 10% of Disolac base to the product, following the iChrom recommendations. Then add catalytic converter in a ratio of 6:1. We will add solvent depending on the equipment used and desired texture. We are ready for application. Pro 84X can be applied using any overpressure device. Remember to follow the manufacturer's recommendations for optimum results. Apply a base coat to obtain a solid foundation and protect the surface efficiently. Allow 45 minutes of flash off before applying the next coat. The second coat is where we will apply the texture according to our tastes and requirements. If we want a smoother grain, we can add solvent and play around with the pressure and nozzles. Allow to cure according to the technical datasheet to ensure the correct drying of the product. By following these simple steps, you will be ready to enjoy the benefits of Pro 84X in your industrial projects.